The Kendeda Building for Innovative Sustainable Design will generate more electricity on site using renewable power each year than it consumes. It is designed for all of its water needs to be collected from the rain on site. During the construction process, this building diverted more waste from the landfill than was sent to the landfill. And that's just 3 of a host of innovations that are in this building. But today's really a celebration. It's a celebration of the team that brought us here.
This project shows that you can take wood that was ordinarily going to get knocked into a dumpster and taken to a landfill somewhere, can be reclaimed, shined up, and used in a high-level, high-profile building. I mean, it doesn't get any more high-profile than this building right now. And the wood in it, to me, is absolutely beautiful. And these are all trees that came from this job site, which is the wood you see behind us on the stairs. It's like 100-plus-year-old heart pine. Raydeo's been around for 33 years. We've started out as a sign shop, mill workshop, rails, signage, a little bit of everything. And in that everything, you work with a lot of different materials and chemicals that you learn that along the way you don't have to. The biggest reason is air quality and building buildings that don't make you sick. You don't have chemicals and things that are in typical finishes. The Red List Challenge identified a whole long list of chemicals that they don't want to use them in this building, the living building, because of the toxins. We had to carefully go through really everything that we use in the shop, all the finishes and glues. They all had to be vetted against the list.
One way that we chose to honor the people who've been building the building here was to partner with Southface to create an award called the Changemaker Award. Now, we want to present a Changemaker Award today to a company that literally turned waste into gold. Waste into gold. And that's Raydeo Enterprises.
This wood was a ceiling or roof underlayment for one of the buildings that was demoed on campus. And as you can see, it's pretty gross. It was full of nails, you name it. We had to buy a metal detector for the guys in the shop so that they could go through and check every single one of the boards, because it's just part of the process. You can take this old wood and turn it into something awesome. One of the cool things that came out of this project is that we're going to start a wood recycling program with the Life Cycle Building Center. We have tons of stuff that we save up and try to give away, and now we have a place to give it to. One of the things that's a big takeaway, I mean, having fresher chemicals for the guys to use and getting rid of the waste in a responsible way, it's pretty big. It's a big step for us.
This building needs to be a catalyst for change in the Southeast, and that catalyst begins with you. The people who helped design, build, and operate this building need to go out to the market. Tell your customers what's possible. Tell your vendors, we will not accept products that make our customers sick. Tell your elected officials that regenerative, healthy buildings are possible in the Southeast.